Welcome to my channel. This video is for a DollarTree Easter DIY, ornaments or wreath embellishments. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams. First, let me show you this bigger sign that I finished. I stained it and I colored the eggs with craft paint, and then I had to go around all the etching and use an ultra fine point Sharpie and just very slowly and carefully go around all that etching. Okay, so now I'm going to make a little cheer bow for one of these bunnies, and I have stained all these bunnies already. I did both sides. I used a penetrating stain. It's Minwax Special Walnut 224 is the color. So 8 inches of this ribbon. This is 5/8 inch width ribbon, soft satin printed ribbon. And once you find the center, you just pinch it like that. I'm going to take a chenille stem and wrap it around to secure the center. You don't need very much of the chenille stem, just enough to fold it over and give it a couple of good twists, and then you'll cut that off and hide those ends just like that. Fold those down so they don't stick up. You want it flat, and then kind of shape your bow to make it look prettier, and then cut those ends off just to trim them up a little bit. Just going to add some hot glue to the back side, and then I am putting it on the bunny's ears to make it look like it's wearing a hair bow. So I'm making a little girl bunny. See how cute that is? Just doing something simple like a little bow like that just really changes it up and adds a special little touch to it. Now I'm going to do a bow tie for the next bunny to make it like a boy bunny. So I'm only using 6 inches of ribbon because I'm not going to have little tails. And it's the same way. You want to find that center and just pinch it in, and on that middle part you just kind of pinch in and then fold the ribbon out. And then again wrap that with a chenille stem. I'm just wrapping it around it a couple of times, cut it off. Make sure those ends are folded down. And you might need to take some needle nose pliers just to flatten that out a little bit more. Now again, I'm going to hot glue that, and this time I'm putting it at the neck, or I'm going to wrap this first with another piece of ribbon so it looks more like a bow tie. You could just leave it with the chenille stem, but I like the idea of wrapping it with the ribbon to make it look like a real bow tie. So just glue that, wrap it around, glue the other end down, make sure all that's on the back side because you want the front side nice and cute, and then just glue that and glue it to the neck so it looks like it's wearing a bow tie. These are very simple little things to do to these that just step it up and make it look so cute and personal. You can also put names on these. If you have a vinyl cutter, you could cut vinyl and put names, and put your kids' names or grandkids' names, and make a little wreath with all your grandkids' names on it, or your kids' names, or you could do a little picture frame and glue these along the side of the picture frame. I think that would be a really cute idea too. One more little cheer bow because I've got 3 bunnies here that I stained, so I'm going to make 2 girls and 1 boy. Girls, of course, the girls need to outnumber the boys. And again, I'm gluing that to the ears so it looks like a little girl. And you could add a little rhinestone there in the center of the bow if you wanted to, or some other little fun thing. But I think these turned out super cute, and I like the way the stain turned out as well. So I hope this inspired you to do your own crafting, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams, and please be kind to others, and please be kind with your comments. Have a good day.